Well, gonna get a bit of a decline here. Nice hill. Happy to see that. Yeah, I'm up there. Wow. Alright guys, 4 miles and and we're gonna get a bit of a turn to the east. Oh. All right. Oh wow. Yeah, I'm definitely, guys, gonna try to put on one of these. See if that will work even. Because yeah, pedaling like this, yeah, see, I thought I was just gonna be able to slip these on. So what do we do, guys? I think we may have to put on another pair of socks. Yeah, we're gonna have to do another pair of socks, guys. And I'm definitely getting the pajama pants out. The pajama. Yeah, cause yeah, guys, this is something else. So yeah, I'm kind of sad we're not gonna do the old brick road. But then I was thinking, you know, if the road is brick, it's gonna be hard to pedal on it. So let's see what we can do here to balance out our bike. But yeah, other than that, guys, it's I mean, you guys can see it's pretty grueling. Let's see if we can something here where we can let the bike go for a minute. But yeah, guys, I thought I was just gonna be able to slip on these little slip on these lovely slippers and See? Like that. And right on, but it's not gonna happen. So let us not dirty these up anymore. And right, so we're gonna get a good sip of water. First and foremost, guys, gotta stay hydrated. And look, this is like freezing. Sort of turn my back to the wind. Away, but let's see where we are. Where are we at here? Socks I probably got in that bag, so yeah. It's gonna suck a little bit here, guys, but I gotta slightly here get to the old suckaroos.